Purpose of legal descriptions. Purpose of legal descriptions. Real estate licensees work with buyers, sellers, landlords, and renters for the purpose of transferring title to a property or for temporary use of a property. These are legal transactions which require that the property be specifically identified. There is a difference between a commonly written street address and a legal description. The common address is the identifier of the property based on the house or unit number, the street, the city, and zip code. On a contract for purchase and sale, for example, the property will be identified by both the common address and also the legal description. Accuracy is important. However, if there is ever a discrepancy between the two descriptions, the legal description rules. A legal description is a method of describing the location of real estate that will be accepted by a court. Because of the preciseness of the methods used to identify the information in a legal description, it is considered legally sufficient. It acts as evidence of the property location in a court action, and therefore, a legal description is always utilized in a deed, a mortgage, or other purchase and lease documents. As such, it is the legal description that is kept on record with the county recorder, tax assessor, and similar offices. Established boundary lines. A legal description uses established boundary lines as a method to describe the location of real estate. Legal descriptions, not common addresses, are accepted by courts to identify property. A legal address is obtained from a survey of the property. The identifying information used in the survey is detailed and unambiguous, identifying the location, boundaries, and any existing easements on the property. Role of licensees. Licensees should pull legal descriptions of listed property directly from the seller's deed or title information and check for accuracy against the property appraiser's website. When filling out a purchase and sale contract, licensees must be careful to get the address entered correctly. Changing the way a legal description is written could have legal consequences that could be costly to the parties involved. When it comes to practicing real estate, make sure you stop and remember this subsection and the point about being 100% accurate when putting legal descriptions in your contracts. Imagine if you are representing a buyer to purchase a property that had a lot of competing buyer interest. If you enter just one character wrong in the legal description, it could cause the entire contract to be invalid. If the title company caught it, and they are pretty good about such details, you might be able to get all the parties to sign a correction to the contract. But if in the meantime higher offers have continued to come in for the property, the seller could use that as a way to hold out for more money. And then guess what? Your buyer is going to hold you and your broker legally responsible for negligence, for failure to adequately secure a correct contract.